Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a happy 2023. So today I want you to join me as we cook some spaghetti. Let's move right into the video. So first I'll bring some water to a boil and break the spaghetti strands into two. I'll add some salt to taste and oil to prevent it from sticking together. So I'll go ahead and prep my meat. I'll be cutting it into smaller pieces so that they'll cook very fast. Next, I'll go ahead and cut all my vegetables into smaller pieces, starting from the spring onion, and then I'll move to the red onions. I'll start by dividing it and then cutting it into smaller pieces. I'll then season the meat with some salt, all-purpose seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, and some pepper. Yes, so I'll give this a good stir, allow it to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes before we move on to the next step. In a frying pan, I'll add some vegetable oil and fry some sausage. In the same oil, I'll then go ahead and drop the meat and allow it to fry and cook in its own juices. So now that the juice has been released, we'll allow it to continue cooking until it is all absorbed back. Our meat is ready and we will be setting it aside. In the same saucepan, I'll go ahead and add some vegetable oil and I'll scramble some eggs. I'll set this also aside and we'll proceed to the next step. I'll add some vegetable oil and I'll be dropping the carrots first because it's the hardest of all the vegetables I'll be using. So I want it to become a little soft, and then I'll add the chopped onions. So I'll stir fry this for some time. And I'll go ahead and add all the other vegetables, which is the green pepper and the spring onions. And I'll stir fry this for some few seconds, not to make them become too soft. At this point, I'll add some all-purpose seasoning and some powdered chili pepper. You can add any amount that you prefer. And I also add a little bit of soy sauce. So now I'll go ahead and add the meat, including the little stock that was left in it and the fried sausage, and I'll mix it all together. So guys, if you are new here, please do also subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever new videos are being posted. Leave a comment, like this video, and share your honest opinion about it. So at this point, I'm going to add the cooked spaghetti, and we can see that it's not stuck together, and that is because of the oil I added while cooking. And after cooking it also, I washed it. Yes, the pan was small actually, but I managed to mix it off cam and it turned out beautifully. Actually, I forgot to record the part where I added the scrambled eggs, but you have to add it after you add your spaghetti. This looks so yummy and it is so delicious. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.